Here's the app called Colliz Do-It-Yourself Wallpaper Craft. Explore do-it-yourself wallpaper, background removal, custom wallpapers, set lock screen, 100 plus wallpaper. And here you see it. Unleash your inner artist with Colliz Do-It-Yourself Wallpaper Craft. And that's the idea. Then you can just open it up. So unfortunately this app has a lot of ads. So now you just select the language. Then you just select this. Then you can see wallpaper in here. And then you can see settings, like do it yourself. I don't know, you just select this. Again, there are a lot of ads. Just preview, and then you can see that you can create wallpaper yourself. Just like you can also just, if you tap create here, you can just customize all of these elements. You can see if you want how it will look like, and then just like different layers, add effects, import photos, brush. So kind of if you wanna custom wallpaper, you can just do it in here. So that's what it is.